Pharmacy and Health Sciences. I'm here with the topic and with the subject exclusively, that is Biopharmaceutics and Pharmacokinetics. Today I'd like to give an introduction about this subject. What do you mean by this Biopharmaceutics and Pharmacokinetics? This is a core subject in the Pharmaceutics department. Coming to the terminology, Biopharmaceutics, what do you mean by this? So as the name indicates, bio. So shall we split this word into two words? Yeah, bio and pharmaceutics. So pharmaceutics, as you already know, right from first semester we are learning about this. Pharmaceutics is nothing but the name formulations. So in our pharmacy we have different types of formulations. We have tablets, we have capsules, we have parenterals, we take topically, we take orally, we take topically, in different routes we take. So when these formulations have taken into our body, it enters into our body. So in the body, what these formulations will do biologically we learn in this subject. So-called biopharmaceutics, as the name indicates, that formulations which we are administered into our body, they are working biologically. So how they are working, which type of changes they are making, whether they are getting released or not, everything will study in biopharmaceutics. And coming to the subject, pharmacokinetics. So after administering the formulations into the body, here it acts like a pharmacokinetics. Again I want to split this word into two. Pharmaco and kinetics. Pharmaco means drug. Pharmaco means drug. Kinetics means it's a mathematical thing. So here, what do the drugs to the body? Okay, what do the drugs to the body is nothing but pharmacokinetics. So which one we are administrating the formulations and which they are going biologically, and what they are doing we study in the form of pharmacokinetics. Okay, so here this pharmacokinetics is based on four properties, that is ADME. So what do you mean by A, what do you mean by D, what do you mean by M, what do you mean by E? So let us see about first one, A, that is absorption. Absorption. So A is nothing but absorption, and D is nothing but distribution, and M is nothing but metabolism, and E is nothing but elimination. Okay, so when the drug has undergone into our body, these four mechanisms will definitely take place. Okay, and these four are interlinked. If, for example, if whatever the drug you have taken into your body, if the absorption has not done properly, then it affects distribution. Because there is no matter of distribution if there is no drug in our body. If there is no absorption, no distribution. If there is no distribution, no metabolism. And if no metabolism, there is nothing to eliminate. Okay, so that's why these all are interlinked. A, D, M, E is interlinked. So before letting you know all these parameters, I want to tell you first about absorption. So let us speak about absorption. Let us speak about absorption. So absorption is nothing but when the tablet or capsule when you are taking into our body, when you are taking into the body. So it just converts into small pieces. It just converts into small pieces. Here big particles gets converted into small particles. These particles are nothing but disintegrates, and this property is called disintegration. This property is called disintegration. After disintegration, it just undergoes to dissolution. That means, what do you mean by dissolution? Dissolution means whatever the solid you are taking, it is combined with the liquid and it forms like a solution, that is called dissolution. After this dissolution fluid will enter into the systemic circulation, nothing but blood. Nothing but blood. So here both this process is called absorption. All this process is called absorption. So I am repeating again here, the capsules and whatever orally you are taking, it reaches to our intestine and it gets disintegrated. This process is called disintegration. And here after disintegration it gets converted into a solution form. That capability is known as dissolution, and after dissolution it just enters into the systemic circulation. The systemic circulation is nothing but blood. Now